Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. These are for your relationship, Gemini. And three more cards for your career situation, guys, Gemini. So three more cards for your career situation. And I will be picking one card from the Angel Guidance, guys, Oracle. So this is your Oracle Guidance. So we will see what it is at last, guys, Gemini. So we will start with the general energy. So you have Six of Swords, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and the Fool. So Gemini, in your situation today, it may be in your career or personal life, you are making some decisions. It may be a travel. You are planning to travel to a different place or a city for work, or you may have that you would have got that promotion. So you are moving to a different place for work, maybe, and your outlook is changed, guys, your perception. So you are happy, you are just being really casual, and you are enjoying rushing towards something. Maybe you want this travel or you want this move to a different place. Maybe you were expecting this change for quite some time now, and you are really happy that it is happening today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also have some addictions, guys. It may be a drinking habit. Something is there in your situation. But whatever negatives you have, Gemini, today in your situation, all that is going to disappear, guys. You are progressing positively in life and things are simply going to fall into place for you. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship now. So we have Two of Cups in reverse, the Magician in reverse, and the Moon. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, in your relationship with this person, you are quite stressed. Maybe for some of you, you don't know what is the right thing or how to deal with your situation. Maybe you are deeply connected to this person. You have that love and you want this person in your life. You have love towards them. But something is not right. Something is very vague, not clear for you in this love. So some kind of misunderstandings or quarrels are there in this connection. So, or you are thinking about something and you are not getting that clarity. Maybe from this person you are asking them some things, but this person is not giving you the right answers. So some kind of difficulty because of that, some stress because of the way they are talking or the way they are behaving in this connection, guys. And I also see that they have some kind of hidden motives, maybe for some of you. For some of you, they are simply hiding their feelings. They are not revealing what it is. So they are not truthful to you. or to this love. So you need to be really careful, guys, Gemini. So if you are rushing to make some decisions, this may not be the right time because you are not having that clarity about this love. So what this person feels for you or what you feel for them. So you have to wait. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation. So we have 3 cards here. We have 5 of Swords, Sun, and the Emperor in reverse. So again, we see certain things are not going right in your career, guys. Some kind of confusions, some immature decisions, or people who are working with you, they are not having that right mindset. So they consider you as their rival. So they may be working against you, guys. You need to be really careful, Gemini. So you may see some delays in your work, some project suspensions or some delays, or people may not, have that same mindset like you. So in work, you need that team spirit to progress in a positive way. But if each and every one of us has a different opinion, it is going to be really difficult, guys. So difference of opinion. So that is what I see in your career situation. But whatever the case may be, just like we got in the general energy, guys, we have this card. This is a very positive card here, guys. So whatever negatives you are facing in your career situation, all that is going to resolve, or maybe it may be a general energy again in your life too, in your relationship. Whatever difficulties you are facing, it is simply going to disappear, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. A beautiful card here, guys. Greet the dawn. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just means that you are moving towards a fresh start, new opportunities, new beginning. So it may not mean that you are going to start your life fresh, maybe with a new person or a new love or a different life, a different place. It may be the same thing, same place, same people in your situation, but with that clean slate. So all that negative emotions, hurt, whatever it is, all that is going to simply leave you, and you are going to feel that warmth this day is going to bring in your life, guys, and you're going to do the best in your situation today. And you can be grateful for how things are unfolding today, Gemini, because you are ready to face anything that is coming, whether it is gift or challenges in your situation, guys. And this card points out to a new beginning, maybe a new way of thinking or a new way of living your life, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.